Okay, guys, so I'm making this video to show you guys how to label Atlas task, how to perform the task. So you can see this is the account that I gave to somebody to manage, and this is what the person is labeling. This labeling is very wrong. You can see the person use a continue scrubbing shoe so with a toothbrush. This write up is okay, but the problem here is that the person use a continue. The person use continue scrubbing. Assuming now, if you go to let me say you have a segment one. Segment one is saying scrub shoe scrub shoe with a toothbrush. And in the same second segment, this is second segment, the person scrub shoe with a toothbrush. The person scrub to shoe with a toothbrush. E don say continue scrubbing shoe with a toothbrush. You can see this first segment and second segment, they are the same thing. You understand? In the first segment, the person is scrubbing shoe with a toothbrush. In the second segment, the person is still scrubbing shoe with the same toothbrush. So you don't say for the first segment, you don't say scrub shoe with toothbrush and go to the second segment and say continue scrubbing shoe with toothbrush. It's very, very wrong. So this is not a story. You are not telling story. You understand? You are performing a task. You are performing the Atlas task, and they have their rules. Their rules that you don't use ing, and you don't label as if to say you are telling stories. You understand? You don't tell stories. This is not story. All your comments, all your labeling should be like a command. You can see scrub shoe with a toothbrush is like a command, but it's not. It's like a command. You understand? You don't say scrubbing shoe with toothbrush. So we are going to do practical now. Let me go to my account. So this person now, see the kind of mistake this person made here. And this person, I gave this account to somebody to be managing, and the owner of the account is even saying that this person should not be working on this account because what the person is labeling is very, very wrong. So what I'm going to do now is that I will show you guys how to do this, perform this task. So you go to your Atlas capture. So this is my Atlas capture account. So I want to show you guys how to perform this task. So this account is still under probation, but I'm going to use it to show you guys how to perform the task. If you go to your task, so by end of watching this video, you understand how to perform this. So if you're not following me on YouTube, please do well to subscribe now, because what I do here is to teach you how to make money online, how to do things that will give you money online. So you can see this is the task we have. So what we are going to do here now is that you come to this level episode. So I'm trying to show you guys how to perform this task. By watching this video, I'm sure you will not make any mistake again. You can see this person pick up white jar. They say the person pick up white jar from container and wipe with clothes. So when you are done reading, you watch the video to know whether if what the write up is saying is what they are doing in the video. You understand? So that you don't go and you be just typing what you don't know. If you come down here, you can see this jars, glass jar, clothes, basin. This is the object used in this episode. So, and again, you don't use item. You don't say pick up item. You understand? You don't say pick up item, and you don't mention human part like hand. Use like grab container with hand. You don't say something like that. You either say grab container or don't say grab container with hand. Don't say something like that. It's very, very wrong. It's against their rules. So here now you can see the object they use here is a glass jar, clothes, basin. So here you say, so what the person did here is that the person pick up white jar from container. That's correct. Okay, wipe with clothes. So this place now they say wipe with clothes. It's not correct. Wipe with clothes. You can say so like this hand now. You can just remove it and put comma. It's either you use hand or use comma. But for your accuracy, try to be using comma. You understand? Try to be using comma. So what the person did is that the person pick up white jar from container. Then the person pick up white jar from container and wipe white jar with clothes. That's what the person did. Wipe white jar So, and this thing is supposed to have only two atomic action. Only two atomic action is that it must have only one comma. You understand? You don't add like two commas here, like maybe where because what the person did here, the person did three things. The person pick up a white jar. The person, let me just check. Wipe. The person placed the white jar on the counter. I think what the person did here is that the person pick up white jar from container. Okay. The person wipe white jar with clothes. That's what the person did here. So I want to like if you can see here now, this video did not is not complete. You did not understand what happened at the end. So watch now. You did not understand what happened at the end. You can see the person as if to say the person dropped something before going to this place. You can just increase this. You see this a timestamp. Increase it to see what the person did. The person is also still wiping, 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 wiping. If you increase it, you increase it. And again, this time here, this time here is not supposed to pass 20 seconds. You understand? It's not supposed to pass 20 seconds. So what I understand here that the person just wipe white jar with clothes. So white jar with clothes. So that's what the person did here. The person pick up a white jar. The reason why you did not label this one, there's action that happened here now, but you did not see what the person did. You just leave it. You didn't see what the person did. Even if you zoom it, if you want to zoom it, you come here and zoom it. Just go back again. He did not see what the person did. Is that hand is invisible. He didn't see what the person did. So that action is invisible. So we leave it. The person pick up white jar, then the person wipe white jar with you can just this wipe with wipe. Replace this wipe with scrub. Scrub is the best. When you see wipe, use scrub. Scrub white jar with cloth. Yes, that is what the person did. So the person pick up white jar from container, scrub white jar with cloth. You understand? So that's what the person did there. This video is for just is for learning purposes. So try to watch this video multiple times to understand how to do this task. So this video is for learning purposes. Try to watch this video multiple times to understand how to do this task. So that is it. So we are going to continue. This is what the person did. And when you are labeling, try to make sure that this time here does not pass 20 seconds. The maximum is 20 seconds. So make sure that it don't pass 20 seconds. And the word here, you see this pick up white jar from container. It must not pass 20 words. If it's more than 20 words, you will not you are getting it wrong. So let me show you guys what I mean by one atomic action. You can see this is a scrub shoe with a with YouTube brush. If you come here now, you come here and put comma, paste it here. You can see this is one. This is only two atomic action. This is atomic action. This is atomic action. If you put another comma here, which is wrong, like this, scrub shoe with a toothbrush. Okay, let me just say wipe. Okay, let me just say something like a scoop. Okay, scoop. Let me just say scoop food from container to plate. Assuming something like this now is wrong. So assuming now something like this is very very wrong. So you don't put three atomic action. So only two atomic action is okay for your labeling. So we just clean here. So we don't need all this. So this is how we are going to be labeling. So let's go to second episode. The person is still wiping. The person is still wiping that the same glass jar with clothes, the same wiping. So you can see this is where this person made mistake. The person say continue wiping and it's not continue wiping. You don't say continue wiping. You understand? That's where this person's mistake is coming from. He said continue wiping, continue scrubbing shoes so with clothes with toothbrush. That's not correct. Can see what the person is you can see what the person did in this segment one is what the person is still doing in segment two. You understand? So there's nothing there. So just wipe jar with clothes. That is it. Then you continue. There's no big deal here. So you go to the segment three. So clean white jar with because you have used the scrub, don't use a wipe again. Everything should be scrub. If you use wipe, make sure that you use wipe throughout. If you use scrub, make sure that you use scrub throughout. So you can see scrub. You can see scrub white jar with clothes. Then you save. Then you go to segment 3. So let's watch. Before you submit, watch the video very well. Clean white jar glass. Okay, clean white glass jar. Okay, here now just let me just okay, the person just okay, let's start afresh. The person wipe, okay, scrub white jar, scrub white jar with clothes, with clothes. Place white jar on counter. Then you say place white jar on counter or racks. Let's use rack or racks. You can see. So this is what the person did. The person scrub white jar, white jar with clothes. Then the person place white jar on racks. This is how you just label it. It's very, very simple. You don't need to be explaining do this, do this. Just your comment should be like a command. Your comment should be like command. You can see the person did three things here. The person placed the white jar on the rack, the person still, and you don't say on the rack, on the D. You see D, you don't use this word D. You don't use this word. You don't use this word D. Yes, you don't use it. This word D, you don't use it. You don't say D. So and you don't use ing. You don't end your word with ing. So that is it. So you can see the person just place the white jar on the rack. You don't say on the rack, on rack. So on rack. So the person pick another white jar from container. So what you are going to do here, as the person pick up the white jar from container, the person wipe it before placing it on the rack. So what you are going to do here now is that you are going to this one that we have already corrected, you save it, then you come here. This is a split. You are going to split this thing now. If you split it here now, you can see this is where the person is placing it on the racks. You can see where the person wipe it. As the person is wiping it, is the first atomic action. This is the first atomic action. As the person is wiping it, is the first atomic action. As the person is placing it, is another atomic. That is second atomic action. But the person is you see as I'm moving my hand, the person place it. So the person move again, and as here now, you are going to cut from here. You are going to cut from here. You understand? It's split. If you press play, you can see we have split here. This first segment is showing us where the person pick up another white jar from container. You can see. So this side now did not show us where the person scrub the white jar with cloth. So we say pick pick a white jar, pick white jar from container, pick white jar from container. Then this one we are going to merge number 4 and number 5 to get that place where the person is scrubbing the white jar with cloth. You understand? Then you here now you stay in this segment 4. Then you click, you see this one is merge. If you click merge, you can see they have already highlighted number 4 and number 5. You understand? But the reason why we will not merge this is because it's more than 21 seconds. It's more than 20 seconds. So we are going to reduce everything here to be less than 20 seconds. So here now, because of this is more than 20 seconds. This number 3 is more than 20 seconds. This thing now, if we join this number 4 and number 5, it will be more than 20 seconds. So what we are going to do here now, we are going to reduce it. If you come to number 3, that's where you are going to reduce number 4. See this shorten by 0.2 seconds. This thing means that you are going to reduce this second. If you are clicking here now, this seconds is going to be reducing. If you are clicking here now, This seconds is going to be increasing. Like you are going to be increase. So let's if increase here now. Let me click. Okay, sorry. It's like this now. Okay, if you click this plus now, it's going to be minusing from here. You understand? If you like this, if assuming now if you want to increase number four, if you click number this plus sign, it's going to be like adding actions here to this one. If you click it now, it's going to add action here. You understand? So this one is reduced. Let's reduce it to like 20, is going to be but if you are before but if you are doing it, make sure that as you are doing it, the thing doesn't start another action. You can see the thing, there is no action yet. The thing is still moving, the hand is still moving. There is no action yet. So now you don't need to do it again because I think the hand is inside that container. You remove it. If you click here, you remove it. You understand? This is a timestamp. This one is a timestamp. This one is a timestamp. Like if you want to favor this one, if you want to favor number five, you use minus. If you want to favor number five, you use if you want to minus number four, like the one that is down, you use plus. You want to minus it to use plus. You want to favor it to use minus. So that is the difference here. So here now, this thing now will help you not to split or merge, but it will help you to get the accurate labeling. Instead of you to merge or split, you can use this thing to get the accurate before you start splitting. We will still split but I'm trying to show you the reason why we will not merge the two because they are more than 20 seconds. Okay, now you can see we are going to still reduce it because this is a 2.2, 2.2 points plus 18. That is more than 20. Please, oh, sorry, here is here that we favor it. Okay, let's click again. Okay, you can see okay, let's just chop. Okay, the person pick white jar from container. Pick white jar from container. Then we are going to merge in number four and number. You can see the merge now is showing highlighted. You can merge it. See here, they have already highlighted number four and number five. In case if number six they are all the same, you can still click number six to merge all of them. But here now you are merging only number four and number five. If you click merge, please try to watch this video multiple times, like try to watch it multiple times for you to understand how to do this thing. You can see I've made these two and I'm getting 19.8 seconds. So if you play it, you see, pick up white jar, scrub white jar with cloth. You understand? Try if you are writing it, try to make sure that you are mentioning the name. You understand? You say scrub white jar, scrub white jar. Most of you say, I don't know, I even wonder how you can say scrub. This is scrub white jar with cloth. Some of you, the way you people are working on this project, before you know it now, somebody will get $5. I don't know whether if you guys are following this procedure. You understand? So this is pick white jar. Don't say pick up. Pick white jar from container. Scrub white jar with clothes. That's what the person did here. So then I don't think there's any other action. There's no any other action. I think that is the all action we have there. That is it. I think there is no other actions. If the thing is not, if it's not playing fast, you can still increase it here. Increase the thing will be playing fast. You can increase it to be playing fast. Okay. You click save. There is no other actions. So we go to number five. This number five, the same scrubbing the jar with clothes. The person is still okay. After scrubbing the jar with clothes, the person place it on a rack. Okay. So the same thing, say scrub jar with clothes, place jar on racks. This is what you just copy this because they are the same thing. This number three and number five, they are the same thing. Just copy it and come down and paste it. This is how to label this. Then you are go scrub white jar with clothes, place white jar on racks. So that is it. Then you click submit, you submit. That is it. Click submit. So I'll perform another episode to show you how if let me perform another episode. So after I perform this episode, then I'm going to show you how to so after I perform another episode now, I'm going to show you how to link your payment methods. Some of you don't know how to link payment methods, so I will show you how to link payment methods. So we are going to take another episode. Okay, this is another episode. So this one now is 14 segments. This one has 14 segments. So I'm sure by end of this one, you understand how to do. This is not that hard. It just you are the one wasting your time, doing other things. So this is the person just pick up coiled extension cord cable from wall hook. So this is correct. So no need, you're not doing anything here. This first one is correct. And so here now, okay, adjust. You can say adjust when the person like move something. You can see the person as the person just try to detach the wire. You understand? The person is trying to detach the wire. What you are going to do here is you can just if you don't want to use detach the wire, is if you use the adjust it can use the adjust can do many things. You can use adjust for many things. If the person like when somebody is arranging tables, you understand? Somebody is arranging table and the person pick up a phone and place it on table, pick up a airpod, place it on table, pick up a phone, place it on table. That thing you can just say adjust objects on table. And so you can say adjust object. That adjust object on table has covered many things. That adjust object on table has covered many things. You understand? The person pick up airpod, pick up phone, pick up perfume, pick up cream, place all of them on like the person just arranging it on a table. You understand? The person just moving all of them, moving all this cream, phone, perfume, all this thing on the table. The person just moving it on the table. So you don't need to say move this one, move this. Just say adjust object on table. That is okay. This person now is trying to detach this wire, but what you are going to use here now is say adjust wire cord or adjust coiled extension cord cable. So that's the name of this thing that the person is holding. Then you come down to check the name they use. They use the extension cord, they use a cleaner. You can come here and read this this is the user's prompts. This is what the person is. You say untangle and connecting an extension cord to a vacuum cleaner in a car wash bay. This 14 segments. So we are going to continue. So this one now is correct. So let's go to you can see this one now is the reason why you are seeing this arrow here is because it's more than 20 seconds. This is more than 20 seconds. You are going to reduce it. You're going to reduce it. Say, okay, the person say untangle coiled extension cord cable. So the person untangle it, untangle. If you watch it, you find out that the only thing the person was doing there is to just untangle it. So what you're going to do now is that you are going to split it. Split it anywhere because the person is doing the same action. If you split it like this now, split, okay. So if you split it now, the person is still doing the same action. Okay, this is one way. This one now, then what you're going to do is just copy this first one because it's the same action, the same action, the same action, same action, the same action. Paste it here. Then okay, you save. You save. My network is bad. Okay, yes, you save. So you can see this person, the same thing, untangle coil extension cord cable. This is another one, untangle, the same thing. So don't say continue untangle. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. And don't say coiling. Don't say coiling. Don't say coiling. No, 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 no. So this is it. So the person is just the same thing, the same thing. Let's check this number 5 to see what the person is still untangle. But this one now, the person strengthen extension cord. You understand? You leave it. This one is correct. This one is correct. And let's go to number 4. They say plug extension cord into sockets. It's okay. It's correct. Then you keep going. Go to number 7. This one now pull on extension cord cable. Understand? Pull on the extension cord. It's correct. It's correct. So you keep going. So I don't know why you guys are making mistake. So this number, okay, pick up a extension cord end. Okay, pick up extension cord end. Spread extension cable on ground. You can see plug cable vacuum cleaner power. You can see this person as the person was moving, the person tried to touch something. But here now you are going to remove that thing. You don't try to make sure that the hand did not even touch it at all because If the hand touches it, it means that this place now is more than three atomic action, and this place now, this number eight now has only two atomic action. If you add another thing here, you are making mistake, except you want to split it. You understand? So for you to reduce it, you click this minus here. You understand? You know see that part again. That part where the person touch that side. You understand? So play it again. You will not see that part again. You didn't see that part, right? If you go to number nine now, that's where you see where the person touches that thing. You see it, right? Good. You see the person just thought this is another atomic action. It's a plug vacuum cleaner power coil into extension socket. That is the only actions here. Then this one has only one atomic action. Then you continue. You go to number 14. You say pull on vacuum cleaner cable. That is it. Pull on vacuum cleaner cable. It's okay, just continue, continue, continue. Then you go to number 9, 11. Okay, pick up vacuum cleaner onto floor. Pick up vacuum cleaner onto floor. You can just say this onto floor, you can just remove it and say from floor. From floor. Okay, pick up vacuum cleaner from floor. Pick up vacuum cleaner from floor. Then adjust because the person shake the cable. Like I told you, if you don't understand what the person did with the object the person is holding, as long as the object is the person just move the object, use adjust. You understand? You say adjust. They use command adjust. What's the name of this code? Sef? They say is what's the name of this code? This code is like in case you don't know the name, just come here and copy the name. The name of this code is a extension cord cable. You understand? The name is the extension cord cable. Extension cord cable. Copy. Number 11, right? Okay, this is a cleaner cable, not extension cord cable. So you say adjust cleaner. The first one is a extension cord cable, but this one now is from this vacuum. So you say the name of this one now, this cable is a cleaner, cable, cleaner cable. So adjust cleaner cable. So that is it. Adjust. The person pick up vacuum cleaner from floor, adjust cleaner vacuum cleaner cable. Just you can still add the vacuum cleaner cable. Vacuum cleaner. You can say okay, adjust vacuum cleaner cable now. Cleaner cable. You understand? Adjust vacuum cleaner cable. Then that is what the person did. That is the only action the person did here. Then you go to number 12. The person adjust vacuum cleaner cable into coils. It's okay, it's okay. The term adjust. The person is just like I told you, if you don't know the action the person is doing, you can use adjust. Make sure you don't use ing. Make sure you don't use continue. Don't type like say you are trying to tell story. You are not telling story to anybody. Just this is it. It's just a simple work. So we go to number 11. Number 11, pick up a nozzle. The person pick up nozzle. You can just say adjust nozzle, place nozzle on floor. Okay, just pick up nozzle, place nozzle on floor. Okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. So pick up nozzle, place nozzle on floor. Two atomic action. So you go to number 14. You see it here? Pick up nozzle, place nozzle on floor. It's okay. Two atomic actions. Then you go to number 14. So okay, gather vacuum cleaner cord into a coil. You know, so gather vacuum is just like a command. Gather vacuum cleaner coil into a coil. You understand? Place coil on top of vacuum cleaner. It's okay. It's correct. It's correct. So then go to number 15. Hold vacuum cleaner handle. Pick up nozzle from floor. If the person pick up nozzle from floor, yes, that is it. That is what the person did. So I don't know why you guys are making mistake. So this is it. So stop making mistakes. I don't know why you guys are making mistake. In case if you have any other question, you can come to my DM and ask me, or make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. The reason I'm making this video is for you to learn, understand how to do this at last work, learn how to do it, so that you'll be making money like other people. So there is no big deals here. So make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will continue to make videos on how to do this task. So if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. I will also make videos on how to open a line account, how to get somebody that lives outside country to open a line account for you, how to do it, how to open a lay account, one form account, how to perform tasks. This task, this account. So there is one former account I created, and I've been working on the account since. So even aligner, even outlayer. So if you need all these things, so just make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will also make sure that I'm going to be creating videos on how to do all these things. So guys, so I'll be ending this video now. So in case if you did not understand what I even say, if you don't understand what I said here, try to watch this video like 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Keep watching it until you understand what I did here. If you follow the same procedure, you are going to get past it, and they will not flag you. They will not block your account. They will not do anything to your account. So guys, I will end it here. So I'll be waiting to see your subscription. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. The subscription is just free. It means that any day I release video like this, you'll be the first to see the video. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. See you next other time. Thank you so much, guys.